Hello everyone and welcome to my papercraft channel. Today I'm gonna use the stamp set which called Birthday Blooms, and I'm gonna use the Rosie and also the Dragonfly Dreams, and I'm gonna use the long sentiment as I think is looking better on my card. Card base, I'm gonna use thick whisper white cardstock as a cut in half and a fold in half. I'm gonna use a little bit washi tape as I need to attach that in my card to don't make a mess inside. And this is basic black Stampin' right marker, and I'm gonna splash the ink to give a little bit like attraction to the background. And so that is my card base ready. And now on the whisper white cardstock, I'm gonna stamp the Rosie using Versamark, and yeah, I'm gonna stamp it. And using the white Stampin' emboss powder, I'm gonna put that on the top, so it will stick into the Rosie. It's not very good to see it, but it's just like flashing. And this is the heat tool. I'm gonna heat up the embossing to melt it. I'm gonna use Stampin' blends to color the Rosie, and that is Pink Pirouette, light and dark, and rich raspberry, light rich raspberry. And also Old Olive, light and dark, and a color lifter on the end. So I start from the rich raspberry light, and I'm just quick color. I'm gonna put a little bit closer so you can see how I'm doing. Later you will see more cards which I use different Stampin' blends, and it's gonna be Calypso Coral light and dark, rich raspberry light, Daffy of the light and dark, and a pumpkin pie light, and the pool party dark and light, and night of navy light. You will see the picture on the end of the video as I made more cards with a different color, because when I started the first one I just fall in love with the cards, so I just make more of them. So there is now Old Olive. I'll color the leaves, and you can see as the leaves are the embossing get the color from the marker. So I use the color lift, and I'm gonna like clean the embossing lines. You can see how it's cleaned. And now I use just the black Stampin' marker to add the dots in the middle of the roses. I done on out of camera more of them. There is also I add the dots with don't remember what it called. I will remember later. So now I'm using the scissors. This is called paper snips, and I'm gonna cut out the roses and the leaves. Of course, I'm gonna cut out of the camera more of them. And this one, the last one, is a little bit smaller. So now I will just stamp again and show you how to need to cut to the Rosie to be smaller. So I'm just show you the line where you should cut it. Just like that. So the third rose is gonna be small. And there is all 3 roses and the leaves, which we needed to make the card. So now I'm taking the card base and stamping the dimensionals and attach to the back of the roses. So we'll be ready to attach to the card. Okay. Remove the back piece of paper from the back of the Stampin' dimensionals, and then just attach to my card the 3 roses. And the last one is the smaller one. You can see I put the crystal, it's not crystal, I don't remember what's that, the wee dots which I put in the middle of the roses. I will show you later and I will remember the name on thing. And that is a strip of Whisper White thick cardstock, and I use again the same Stampin blends to color the strip. You can see how it's very quick reacted. The ink is just blending, beautiful. And I take the basic black Archival stamping pad, and I'm gonna stamp the sentiment. The strip is a little bit longer, so you can just cut the axis on the end when you attach that to the card. And now I'm using again the Stampin' Dimensionals, just 3 of them. And I place that on the middle. And then taking paper snips and the cut of the axis. And now, that is called glossy accent. Exactly, that's what I'm looking for. The glossy accent, I don't know, but it's a little bit reacted with the black ink. So you will see that on the pictures. And there is the rest of the card, which I told you before. I make 5 of them all together. Look at that, so beautiful. I just follow in love. That can be used for a Mother's Day, that can be used for birthday, whatever you like. And there is the card, just a close looking. And thank you very much for watching me. I hope you enjoy it. Please give me your thumb up if you like. And see you next time. Bye.